was for a juicy news. Bema Obibia Aquaba. Latest hot Aqua Eramede Bremo. Now, answer and something in Abebano, so we now subscribe. Bomodia say, over subscribe to channel. Now, while like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share by what for first. So that when you be here now, and somewhere also, Ewo Ghana Bemoadam. Afi, you share a year and somewhere Abeto Yeponoso. Yinti a year, some Kumoya Ababetuja, Yinti a year, Sasabi, Mighty.
I just say a deputy finance minister. Girl now koye seesaw when the chrome na if you are na about you set tabina and then or say a year public accounts committee ninim bari and do you know I'm asking you are asking me sa girl no she was the deputy for Ken Ofori Atta for 8 years or you're one of the most dangerous people in Ghana. I don't even understand such a skeleton sitting there interviewing people so about chrono Sam I mean oya chrome for asare no she deputized Ken Ofori Atta for 8 years. Get me her picture. Sa abrewa o se die bio nanim bari bi enam ni ho bi sa minim sa girl no don the deputy finance minister no sa abrewa o se die yo hu be bia wodu so aba bi siriwa o se she was the deputy for Ken Ofori Atta for 8 years the finance ministry adie be course bia onim and why na basa se kokuo abetena say why are you asking me question I don't say na basa bi wa basa se shine box and we begina kekan kwase say one ne koye local ni kuro mu a oma odi kuro fo ne betena so no and we sit in Ghana we listen to such nonsense. Their credibility na sa asare lady no wa also betena TV so say ono question obi about corruption and integrity. This one. Abena Osei asare. Kuro no Ken Ofori Atta boy nyina girl where the nim say shoe box yi. Sa girl we. Kuro no Ken Ofori Atta boy nyina ono na deputize Ken Ofori Atta. Onim ni nyina. Ewurade Ghana. And yet, Nana Manquasia Phobi. Now we are not TV so interview call for so be about chrono. Or no chrono a bona motium. Gawi. Sabriwa said, wait. Minim so Abriwa said, yo, wait. On an acre of Rata deputy for 8 years. They are causing you him. Now, how can we allow such a person to be sitting there? Now, about your fiance shoebox? I don't understand. You, why are you saying I have to say, Mr. Hey? Yeah, Obia or ya crom for Ghana wo. Then how can you chase Ken Ofori Atta and leave this one? Unless you are insane. Actually, Jimmy, how can you chase Ken Ofori Atta and leave this one alone? We were in this country, and I'm gonna say Ato Forson was instructed by his boss, Setekpe, to sign a document. And Godfredamia, this is Yachia, and Kojele Ato Forson. For Ato Forson listening to his boss, taking instructions and seeing through the instructions, no. Sa aya go for down and this is Yachiano, Nana Achiano, and Kojele Ato Forson. Way Eddie Ken Ofori Atta team kwasia something ina onim. Na sa amani we abet now say or no obetro ni show na basa se shoe box. Shine for box no, baby esobu no. Na basa se shine for box. Na ye jiminti integrity be na we wa and the on what wa or to obia no so obia ko wie sika. Krono ankofo we boy away. I urade nyankopon. We di 46 years ago. Wa Daniel brewa wa ba brewa poso. Oyi ni Brazil da ho. Me kume ho. Onyini yo 46 years. Oni me pet the same age. 46 and never bomb age 46 I can't carry me 50 46 years who na whom ya so the woman wa twontwom wa bobrewa wa bobon to match the new for say abrewa po so now we mo na Ghana when the Ken Ofori Atta 80 years otu anu wetiem na ye na wo Ken Ofori Atta echi na we ja akwa we. Eye dan na wudi Ken Ofori Atta echi ka say Ken Ofori Atta bokro no finance ministry. Now we just shoebox way and then Ghana so no interview nkofo. We did 46 years pe. Onyini yo. Menini gina wa baga say my girlfriend no me small girl bi a just say wa bo abrewa po so wa break it down. We break it down. Wa legalization 46 pe. We di bronya 46 pe e wo wiase. And so wiase we di bronya 83. We mu tete was say or no what obi what do you do? And I don't tell me hwela bodwe. I krobia anka eni abre anka wo ka wo dem. Anka wo si dross ba ko pe for 1 week na kwa shada. Wait. Na eye dan na wo ka kire me say krono a Ken Ofori Atta boy we onim hu bi pa. 46 years pe 46 bronya 46 pe wodi. Wade so abrewa so wa bo abrewa wa dwirega. Me body video chiro otwo kasa otwo okasa wa bo abrewa so se menana amanfregua Bible people got my bone ma medin menana amanfregua no fe ai wa bo abrewa se menana amanfregua wey abrewa poso Odintuma wabobo achichiri echi ntuma ahyere nufu ase se na ebe obenya hip kakra ede nkuto afa ho na we mutete Ghana didi nkwasi asem we di deputy finance minister for 8 years around the country we down totally we di bronya 46 pe o bronya we di wasase we so 46 pe we di Easter 46 pe Salah 46 pe ondi mrusu we di eye de Salah bronya eye Easter 46 pe we hu e wo wiase Salah 46 pe Idil Adha we hu 46 pe Idil Ramadan Idil Fitr we di hu 46 hu more than 46 Idil Fitr now wait to work kan kwasi asem ne Ghana so na ya ma we kwan. How can we build this nation? Potential criminals, jailbirds today are acting as if they don't know anything about what happened in Ghana. Messiah, get me the local she went to build in her hometown. Or the deputy finance minister 8 years. Or when the chrome for some yen, almost at 2 manama parliament. Now one with the chrome there, yin through a man woho. Jimmy, almost a sassika one crying, and a local momo. On hene odikro omu Jimmy no mde ti local so na kokora mu de mo Jimmy chen nwan mo mara na is sin crying. And so any brainty or 2 week na shana na or 2 week na why say Grace Jones unim Grace Jones Messiah, get me Grace Jones picture. Hey mo de mo nim me ohun. Wait, poso. Or 2 week na shady ti say gra etoa or to say Grace Jones. Why unim Grace Jones? Why Conan the Destroyer? Why Conan da? So why Conan the Destroyer unim Grace Jones, the original Conan the Destroyer. Or 2 week ni say 2 or to say Grace Jones. When ni nya din a untumi mutu so. Din. Mr. S, get me Grace Jones picture. Now we're moving to what is some so Jimilization. Where the deputy finance minister and or no catch up say why the person is saying they were not expecting you to ask such a question. You go fool to on Tiasia. Hey, no, they don't know. BBSC Adaya na bodri be pai Adaya. Obi catch and say, I didn't expect you to ask that question. Is that an insult? Because you said the same thing when you were being vetted like a chicken. The arrogance in some very ugly women in Ghana. The arrogance in ugly women. And then I'm a tiny. Last week, Owusu Bika, we need more women in politics. Let me say, not every woman should be in politics. A dangerous woman and an ugly woman, when you give them power, only a dangerous chance scorpion. Grace Jones in here, wait, Messiah, I want the other one. Messi or 2 week next Shanana, and a job 8 Uhuna, or to say Grace Jones. Only Grace Jones. Maybe I will name Grace Jones in here. This is Grace Jones. Or 2 week now, only Grace Jones pet. Unim Grace Jones. Yani mobia copy photocopy. Or 2 week there shadena only Grace Jones pe. Unim Grace Jones. Unim red. It's grave ya. 46 years old only Grace Jones. Messi man in 2 week you know. Grace Jones na da hono. Grace Jones, Jamaican singer and writer and their model. Conan the Destroyer, Grace Jones na womb. uhu ne toa ohuri tena pronko so a aisa amachi dede enya ye ni amachi dede o amachi dede nya oba so ye friend dede ohuri tena pronko so a aisa ya santoa den Grace Jones ono no oto peje na beti he kromfo te se wo me no wa ankamaka me toketekete na twon akotena nchen una obebusa questions Ken Ofori Atta deputy ni 8 years on na mwanwa asa kotena wanwa yentumi check your system no ena obi be disika wi na no be che se morally on na nim nyansa o se obebusa questions on na nim nyansa o se obebusa questions. Mrs. Should we move on? Grace Jones ni thank you. This is the real Grace Jones. Me chiramu mushia na makaza Kevin tell us how say Grace Jones to we gina ni anhwe moto so nkwasi asem so Ghana 8 years when another deputy finance minister en kwasi asem ko so na yete Ghana na yeso so we na nko se ende me no kase nko gina yoku Grace Jones no nie Grace Jones onie oh I got a wrong picture Mrs. Grace Jones nie onie we ni Grace Jones difference be ni wom oni Grace Jones difference be ni wom ka kire me. Now, to be picture Betty, why are you telling me this? Why are you saying, Mr. Hey, Grace Jones, brown one say, or took it say, and Kuraba. What the Ken Ofori Atta as in signed document, a Buya Ghana. Yan can want some any idea show. What's saying at Tabain Bekam Kwasia so much nipa adedra because any Jimmy or Ghana, yes, some Kwasia Sebusuntra. Grace Jones, no. Conan the Destroyer in Kwaran 2001 munim de America in terms hey Kevin so onim nyomo na onim de anim ya wia sika ko he film blue film ni wia sika ko he blue udi na onim de akọ Grace Jones no ma menche Grace Jones ni ye ebi o ka so Kevin ma men kura onye actor na eye asare no on set ma menche Grace Jones ankasa ne acting skills one eye commando misi sa girl we asare we otu ne we ga oni Grace Jones pe onie we oni Grace Jones difference be no mani two we no mon kan kire no we o see a chiritum she needs to be locked up. And then they go after Ken Ofori Atta and the deputy. No, we are not going after her. But these same people, they were saying, say, Ato Forson, under instructions from a boss, into Osankechi Ato Forson tomb. Now, I see a food in Ghana say, Omunum, the Omobe check system. No, Grace Jones way. I am waiting for you. The President of the Republic, John Mahama, I cancelled the SML deal. No contract. No, I cancel. That is a listening president who understands the issue. The reason why I yet sa statement no edi free a year yet sa statement no edi free a year the presidency and then they say President John Mahama the government the head of government say OSP no Andrew Obekachire say why investigations ni nyina ewie and that next month or Kwaku charging call for no court in the president say from the investigations oma yewie any de we hu no it means say OSP no aye the jumewi a wate it is our SML deal will Ghana will not work with this SML company into a track contract him. Now it's up to the OSP, it is up to him to make sure we deliver the docket to the Attorney General for the extradition of Ken Ofori Atta. I make a big challenge. OSP or a liar. You know why? On Sandra the Cheremo. OSP started investigating SML in 2024 January. You were 2025, almost 2026. You were about 2 months, near to 2026. Kisi Ejabin person otchere Ghana for nyina say he has been investigating SML for almost 2 years. Oh, and anytime make sure say Kisi Ejabin is a liar. And I'm sure Kisi Ejabin can say or started the investigations of SML January 2024. That means by January, February, March, April, no one who Ken Ofori Atta is the man or you involved in this crime. And Kisi Ejabin person catch Ghana for say from January 2024 or start investigating SML no. We are almost entering 2 years. January 2 years. Otchere say the investigations alone is taking him 2 years before he even thinks about, because I can tell you on authority, November one year he will not file any charges. That means to say Kisieja me beso Otchere say SML investigations it has taken him almost 2 years to do it. The man is a liar. Kisieja be hu Ghana for nyina asem wagimi. Ken Ofori Atta ne baboy no. Otimi ko di jantra for no aka chom se ne papa. Eye Kisieja be ne boa ne papa ma ne papa dwane ye. Ken Ofori Atta baboy no. Yeah. Otimi ko di jantra for no aka che jantra for se me papa o ma wo. Kisieja be ne boa me papa man papa free mu because you lose elections ni we no. Na nka o se Kisieja be che me papa. But Kisieja be me na meka Ken Ofori Atta ne baboy na mi quote no. O say ono Ken Ofori Atta baboy ne ka kire jantre ni say ono, and I'm quoting the boy, say Kisieja ben ono na eboa Ken Ofori Atta ma Ken Ofori Atta e free mu. That is what he told nipa no. And at the end of the day no, ya tena say ye analysis no, because okodi jantre ni bi e odisi ya e na koka kire jantre ni ba no. Enti time okoro ka kire jantre ni ba no, e na jantre ni ba no so onim Ghana for e na ka kire Ghana ni say this guy, this is his dad. He's telling me, say, the special prosecutor in Ghana, because girl no Ebusan says, this story, your father's face is all over the place. And I say, oh yeah. But even a special prosecutor enabled my father to escape. And he can offer every Ghana right after election 2024, no. Nebano per Ken Ofori Atta baboy, no. It was Kisieja Ben who basically enabled Ken Ofori Atta to exit. Send a beya investigations known to mention because 1 solid year, Obaso Kachem say you could not invite Ken Ofori Atta to your OSP office to interrogate him. He never did that. For 1 year, he was investigating SML. He could not call Ken Ofori Atta a day to come to take his statement. He never did that because the moment he calls Ken Ofori Atta to take his statement, he's a person of interest, and that Ken Ofori Atta cannot leave the country. That is why he waited. Otchere ya me to abani wie ya to wie na Ken Ofori Atta exit ya no pe and I say oh right now dear when we say Ken Ofori Atta ka case no hunti or catch the Interpol say amon for alert into no so Kisieja be is a liar. He's a bad man. We played the whole country. He has played every single one of you. Ohum nyina mu say mo Jimmy into Otchere ya ma Ken Ofori Atta remu. Over the say 1 year from 2024 January, you could not call Ken Ofori Atta to ask him a single question about a SML deal. But from your own statement yesterday, you made us believe, say, from the time they even tried to register the SMEL, no, you knew Ken Ofori Atta was part in 2017. So it means that you had known from day one that the SMLE that changed into SML belonged to Ken Ofori Atta and his group. So why didn't your bracket, your net capture Ken Ofori Atta and made to take his statement? He didn't do it. It was deliberate. He left it. He knew Ken Ofori Atta was part because the first time now, I'm going to try to impose SMEL on PPA. A backfire, you know. It means you knew. And this is a year ago. So, in the kind of Ratana Ghana, no, it was calculated. Sanka NPP winnie, Anka Bawumia winnie, Anka Ken Ofori Atta will still be controlling SML. Anka Ken Ofori Atta will still be controlling SML. And anytime I catch him say, a vote for NPP, a vote for Bawumia, it is a vote for Akufo Addo and his family. Because I can tell you on authority, if Bawumia wins any elections, SML will come back. Ken Ofori Atta will come back to Ghana. He will come and still control his contracts in Ghana. That is the plan. And itina Ken Ofori Atta, Akufo Addo, they want NPP back in office. And itina omo bo kronu nyina wo NPP Abena, majority of them they have jumped on Bawumia's bars because they are all potential they are jailbirds. It is all MPB, former minister B, Now odi Bawumia yeah or protect this go jail. Because they know that from now to 2028 anything can happen. And they know after 2028 anything can happen. Into Mahamadu Bawumia 90% of them they are protecting their omo jail. And into Mahamadu Bibia di Bawumia Mahamadu Kennedy Agyapong they know for a fact say Kennedy winia almost no jail no omonko because Bawumia ko for him say Bawumia winia obechesi Kennedy for no obetata omo. Mahamadu Kennedy time about Bawumia mu wia no ya mo kitwe bi into omani abre. Right now, no idea in Yan say Bawumia ba obetata Kennedy for no. Say Kennedy ba obetata Bawumia ko for no. And it's there's a split in the party. Obian beso beko jail. Because right now, if Mahamadu Bawumia wins elections, Odim say Kennedy will still be a thorn in his flesh. Kennedy will be sitting on the sidelines and making his government difficult. Inshallah, it will never happen in the history of Ghana. Say Bawumia be winning. But let's say ye Jimmy Kuran e wiase say ashapro and say Bawumia e wiase danin kofi nto mbedi so no. Na Kennedy go ha. Odim say Kennedy will be disturbing him. Kennedy will be a distraction because one, what Kennedy is going to do is say Kennedy is going to make his government look bad, and at the end of the day, the only alternative for the NPP will be to go back to Kennedy. Inti Bawumia his first target say Nyankopon say we are about to be president Kennedy Agyapong. Any single person will Kennedy because who probably have vindictive or Ghana politics when they Samira Bawumia. Yes. Sibia Samira mini Kennedy no. Me say Sibia Samira Bawumia we mini Kennedy no. Oh. Bre no nya tumi ade obeye Kennedy wo Ghana no. You people be shocked. Kennedy die gunka bo buni nyina atogu. I'm telling you. That is from a confidential place. Sibia Samira we mini Kennedy no. Also say why di no Kennedy because onim se Kennedy nim de waye. De oye Bawumia chi nyina onim se Kennedy has it. It is Samira no. His biggest enemy in Ghana politics today is Kennedy. And it's not bre opetumi no. No, not to me now. All the people following Kennedy are dear by your more Ghana no. And Sanko for no, they have a plan. And it's not party no channel. Obia protecting on so go jail. Intende, so party now kind of cries, hey, only end this in the juma because no crana wo cano expose for no more party nim. You are basically giving a room to the Attorney General Yoko CID to come in and arrest them. And this will be a party nim. No, and I just obeka no cricket to be only end this in the juma. I didn't know okay so only end this juma. So some no can no cry. So obi NPP munde. Na se oka no kura no wompe yes one NDC adwuma because the party ni see say obi may release a statement or release a yasempe NDC be jeli it is anko for omo nyina di ba obi achi no it is because omo nyina bokro no omo ye wifo omo awie sika they think say their only hope e Bawumia ya ma Bawumia amedi anim na ebia nyame ambo ma dey presenter ye nim say from 2028, from now to 2028, you move bebrebe ko je. They know. Why na di Bawumia che onya kromfo? Why na di Kennedy che onya kromfo? Which of them? Why na di Bawumia che onya kromfo? MPC am say nyina di Bawumia chi. Bring all of them out. They are all professional criminals. And they all know they are under investigation. Why? Where Jimmy Nkwano, you will have to go and support Bawumia. Miji jam maweninda ho. Upo bia Bawumia emini no. Samira mini no Ghana pa Kennedy. I swear. Now upo bisa Kennedy emini na Samira. Kennedy onya Samira. Obeka di cha no awia mene no aboko keguso Kennedy. Me say Akompre kwa na eko check your wings, Samira se bre na ni kru benya power 2032 2042 na Kennedy tiasia de Samira be ye Kennedy wo Ghana no Kennedy obenu no ho de rebe ho na Kennedy Agyapong so njimi yo wa bot Samira to ho mo pese mo push na de Samira code ni nyina gu on fenguo ene na ma Samira sro Kennedy Samira sro Kennedy nyina oni se Kennedy kuta code no meso be kuta code no it is so Kennedy nyina e code no ene tire we mini Kennedy no Kennedy so mini no A meaning to meaning. Obi a meaning and yongo. Say Bawumia de ono or GBB. Ono Samira is just using him. Ono de ya de GBB. I Bawumia de GBB. Na Bawumia jina we usha. Sebios Bawumia masa. Bibi ni ya de neji. Bawumia de Samira de GBB. Enye ni baby serious biya. Enti wa onim say Bawumia de GBB keke. Sebio ya de GBB. Da shada onye the main driver no no de GBB. He me kan no kra kire ebia you don't know. Inti SML we no. I was all tears say MPP we need power Kim. Now why the what MPP mu Kennedy, Bawumia, Kwabena Agyapong, Brand Champon, and a country who can shout at Ken Ofori Atta. Sankwasi afo when a bit maka Ken Ofori Atta nim. Dabio from Bawumia to the last person omo pe primaries we e wini. When a bit maka Ken Ofori Atta nim. Wana na bit to me. Omo nyina wana. Say we wini power. Bawumia wini power na Ken Ofori Atta bagana. Na Bawumia ye cabinet mi na Ken Ofori Atta say oba ho. Can Bawumia say no? Kwasi ana wu ni baby a chichire do kare share. Can Bawumia sit and say I'm the president? Ken Ofori Atta should not come here. Akufo Addo said he should come. I don't want to. Hey, Duba. Ube to me be one kasa asem no. Why na was adipa 5 say Brand Champon say I we wini na Akufo Addo say eye Ken mbra Ghana. Na ombeji documents na wo Brand Champon say ontia. Hey. Now was how box no is no. Wouldn't say na onye sika sisi e. Who from up para fra wo Brand Champon say hey, Brian SMLD no Ken Ofori Atta issue no cancer. Now Brian because onye. Now Brand Champon enye from up para na ma onye sika wo MPP mu. Wo Brand Champon enye from up para. Eh mo ma me charge ya ho. Me pedi obe wini first wie. Inti adin de Kennedy versus Samira. And then Kennedy Bawumia. Bawumia de Kennedy umfa no ho. Kennedy does not think about Bawumia. Kennedy Samira no washe. And Samira no ono edutu umfa no ho. Brand Champon umfa no ho. Kwabena Agyapong umfa no ho. Samira is looking at Kennedy. We mini Kennedy. Only the Samira person here. Or person break Kennedy totally. O gune ni mase. And the strategy is that Omo Dinkako plot every investment of Kennedy Agyapong in Ghana. And her target is the moment about Bawumia benya 2 million, they'll go after everything. Yeah. Oh, Sibia Samira Bubunko for Dangun, that's the same thing he would do to Kennedy. Kennedy want to mean your foco. And it is between the game is between Kennedy and Samira. It Bawumia there. Kennedy ono who Bawumia send Bow. Oh, it is Samira against Kennedy. And Bawumia is not a man. Obet take a decision about Samira. Bawumia. Ojin say Bawumia can get up at home. Samira, please come here. Why? Why do you say hey? Hey. As a Muslim na obole salo. Na Bawumia fi kroma ba. Where's your mother? Samira, please come. We need to talk. Na say na disrespect to. That's an akuma ba our friend. He say, Obetmaya, please. Samira, can we talk, please? Can we come inside? What you say? Bawumia betumaka. Hey! Now mugi yaro wale twa kwati. Una semna wo karo wu bidana. Say Bawumia is a man. Say bibi ha na obetumi aye be ma de na esi form. Please, where is your mom? Where is your mother? So she's in the bedroom. Can you please call her for me? So please, can we talk inside? Now, Samira jide. Ebi obebana Samira ye nim otwi nim. Na wabegyira de chi. Samira kuta edua hwehwe. Ketwa bi. Wedware wie etwi de nim. Na Bawumia begyina Samira, we need to talk. We need anke dua hwehwe de should be shi de nusu. Only Samira because by heart is a wo Bawumia. Edua hwehwe no. Edua hwehwe ketwa no. Anka shi would be shi de nusu no. Now this be about Bawumia. So Sammy, please, can we talk? Yes. I want something is worrying me. Also, my husband, take time. I will take care of it. Oh, yeah, kodu kura man, kodu kura. Samira, Bawumia kodu. Also, my husband, what is it? Every day you come here, you are crying. I say, I'll handle it. What is it? I'm going out. Also, Sammy, well, are you? What you are doing outside? I don't understand. See the boy Kevin Taylor. I don't even know. Go and drink wine and sleep. I'll take care of it. Bawumia, Bawumia yenipa. Samira Chibeka no be jina chibe can we talk? Or the should be she with this suma wow with this brew. On what chili any cantonment, I would Jimmy Jina say we have to talk. You have to talk about the now who was sure Jina so the ayambe masem. Who was sure Jina so the ayambe masema abaya 2 weeks ka be tumu. That the only slap out of J or them. Kwa video no. Yamfra wo se kwaja batum Jimmy Ghanaians yeah. But the Mumusa Ujaf, you come over for man. Ten, Jimmy. Why did you do that? So pressure. pressure. I don't even know why I did. I say, why? What is wrong with you? Samira so Ojariaba. Samira so Kojaria or check or to be 1 hour 45 minutes. A moon 1 hour of recording kind statement, no. It is Samira by I don't know acceptance. No, I just to my jubilati. Emma made the numbers not to so. Emma Jam crying your course, ma. Samira by and not Bawumia cried in Canfred JM. So thank you, Mr. President. You have won. Thank you. We are going to eat. Into Samira Jaria, we were policy, we were back. What is going on? Oba Montino can Gyamfi and himself in Owusu. Samira will go and so why is everybody looking like the animals kingdom? So your husband, he went out to accept the results. And what does Samira say? Hey, call him for me. Bagan so good chi. Wallahi. Snapper kwa ya ji wona bra bomu ode nam ho no. Campaign o ye no. Samira na chere shirt on she. Shirt ne length, ne long sleeve ne tie, se na onsa, se na onka ne nsam. Onsa na nse wa beji campaign e free ni nsam. Boga mpulu. Boga is not pulling. Pulu. Why? It's a VW. Aya tete 1998 ye no. Ose boga mpulu. Onsa na nse ono nkasa beji campaign ye. Ote wanonte ya wonte kasa. Samira premani ote mfante titwi ote bibia ose wo kura de se amenya wodan. Ese a wo menya wodan. Wo mfante fo pan no ana. Menda ne da no. Me kire bibia otumi nka. Okoka Asante abuei. Brofo so abuei. Tese wo de ese ono nkasa age. Ono na ye campaign no. Ne target ye Kennedy Agyapong. Sibia Samira mini Kennedy no. Ayila. The OSP is a liar. Make nobody trust the OSP. He is fooling every Ghanaian. Ono ena obuayema Ken Ofori Atta e free Ghana. Kisi jaben onim de oye was spending $50.5 million on chekotre, and he's still telling you say, and he's tired. He wants to go and eat. I have nothing for you. 2017, Nanado Kweku Addo set up the Special Prosecutor's Office. And I'm Refi. Let us go and watch Akufo Addo. Oh, where is this? Setting up the Special Prosecutor's Office. Away. Mr. S, I need it. What's going on? I need it. I can't find it, Mr. S. Okay. Mr. S. I need a Special Prosecutor's video. 2017. Nanado Kweku Addo. Time ana oye yi. Yeah, Special Prosecutor's Office. I know what you say. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. S. Thank you.
The Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Madam Gloria Akufo, says the Ministry of Justice and Attorney General is looking into a 7-year tenure of office for the Office of the Special Prosecutor to ensure that an incumbent government does not have any political influence over its works. Madam Gloria Akufo was answering questions on the responsibilities of the Office of the Special Prosecutor.
Establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor is one of the measures that the President has instituted to curb corruption within government. The Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Ms. Gloria Akufo, says the Special Prosecutor will be independent of the executive.
The issue has been raised as to how independent the prosecutor can be. It lies in the fact that the Attorney General, regarding those specific offences that will be farmed out to the Special Prosecutor, would not exercise the powers of nolle prosequi. Under the law, the Attorney General has got power without explanation to end proceedings at any stage. but to give that true independence to the special prosecutor in respect of those offences under the mandate of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. The Act will contain a provision that will forbid the Attorney General from entering non-proscribed. Again, as part of its independence, the tenure of office will not coincide with the term of the appointing government. So, for example, we are considering a one term of 7 years so that it will not coincide with that of the appointing government, and therefore it will not be easy for that regime to, once it goes, for another regime to come and remove the office holder. Again, the bill proposes a procedure for removal, which will not just be administrative. You have to go through processes. There must be a prima facie case. A committee must be set up to investigate whether or not the charges are maintainable.
Ms. Gloria Akufo says although security agencies such as the police and the Economic and Organized Crime Office (EOCO) are mandated to investigate corruption scandals in the public sector, it is not feasible for these institutions to probe all such cases.
We have noticed that EOCO is a multi-mandated entity, and therefore it's overloaded with a lot of work, such that in our estimation, corruption and corruption-related offences are not getting the desired attention. For that reason, government has considered it necessary to carve out offences that relate to corruption so that it can get that attention.
The minister said a bill will soon be passed in Parliament for the establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. A stakeholder...
GBC for no. Camera nam da kwashe maami hwinim. Minim sani amo handle camera o GBC ho. Maami gina dem munko mo chika kra. O de camera kwashe maami hwinim. Ena maami home kra nyeye camera sini hwina no. De no mo cheche bu nyina no se. Nana danko Akufo Addo oti OSP office no. O shada ye ne se obi obehye office obi ano 7 years no so odi. Na o pese oyi ni kurampo a enda form. Se ne be ya sebio so pese oyi ni kura na e wo se ofa sa procedure na sebio Chief Justice, former Chief Justice Tokonu, prima facie case has to be established. A Council of State needs to come in, a committee needs to be set, and then a determination needs to be made. And son, what to make special prosecutor. Into another Danko Fadmo idea omodeti OSP office in United say. No more who say a year Attorney General no in some bebre no goodness no dawson. Into no per officer corruption and corruption related issues no or not be handled in na amanyoma aya wano. Into omo de OSP office na Akufo Addo den ebie no na for 7 years obi abetena wa so tena 7 years into no Akufo Addo say obedi president 8 years and I say de no na opese OSP bi oba be show bia no obedi 7 years into we na e course 2017 engineer so mu gina so a omo de ti OSP office no and Attorney General catch OSP say me wo en time bebre time wo me nsa so ma me docket na me ne unya adwuma na anya OSP say onye Gloria Akufo, one of the most, I say, we nipa be miensa, omunim nyansa wa NPP moa, na omuye honest with Akufo Addo mami we. The funny thing is, in 2017, this woman was my lawyer, but she doesn't know. Interesting, right? Yeah. She represented me in something. Ever seen the onim se no am lawyer, 2017. She doesn't know. A very wonderful woman. Ghana, ever serious, every day. In 2017, Madame Gloria Akufo, she represented me in something. Till date, Onimumposa Ayamina now representing me. But she's one of the finest judges, lawyers in Ghana. Very transparent and open-minded. She is not corrupt. Or no, as some say, Obeka say. The reason why Akufo Addo was because she did not agree with Akufo Addo on the Ameri deal. Okachi Akufo Addo say the scandal surrounding the Ameri deal, no, Akufo Addo needs to stop, and that Mwa Ghana and Akufo Addo can say ompien free na abaimu. And nintina omodema Gofredame. Gofredame was basically the deputy to this woman. And Gofredame was snitching on this woman. Until every time Gloria Akufo ebetena se obeye edwuma bi edi nkomo bi one the deputy Godfrey Dame beka no enwumre no na Godfrey Dame Kweku Addo ho na wafre Bediatuo na wafre Gabby na wachirechire ma kire omo say na Godfrey Glory Kufu pese oye na omo gye se oye sa ebegu party ni mase enti every day no na Godfrey Dame chuki Gloria Ekufu enti Godfrey Dame ye ma ye pamo Glory Kufu ene ye be ye ne den ye be na Attorney General and enti na obey Attorney General no obey rogue. He became basically a party Attorney General and an Odin Kwasiasem Ghana because his ambition was that he wanted to represent party, not to represent Ghana. And Godfrey Dame became one of the most corrupt, one of the most diabolical, dangerous Attorney Generals in Ghana. And remember, in 2018-19, Mr. P, Mr. S, when was Gloria Kufu removed as the or when did she resign as the Attorney General? Oh, it's the same way. Now, go back, you will see where the connection is. Oh, SMLD way. It started from 2017, right? Oh, it's a started with PPA. And a bedroom point to be. The same thing ended at PPA. Now, go back and check. Time na omoko PPA back and forth in Yinano. Now Godfrey Dame was sitting on the board of PPA. Time na Ejeni Mwati wo PPA. Now Godfrey Dame was a member of the PPA board. Until from 2019, 20, 21, 22, Godfrey Dame was sitting on the board of PPA and he was directing them how the SML should look. Now what you say? Inti Gloria Kufu left as the Attorney General in 2021. Now SML became very powerful from 2020. Godfrey Dame was on the board of PPA as a board member. Inti that is how Ken Ofori Atta was able to use the PPA. Inti PPA cry approve Bibia. SML was able to still work because the board at PPA, even though they knew, they didn't care. Because PPA was supposed to raise questions about SML working or standing on the neck of Air Blue Gate to work as a subcontractor, which was illegal. But Godfrey Dame was sitting on the board of PPA. That is why the PPA did not even raise any objection when they saw the same company they rejected indirectly. I am Monshada and checking your man. Go back, go and see. Mr. P, Mr. S, Godfrey Dame was on the board from when to when. You will see how they manipulated the system. I feel what you say. Godfrey Dame, he was on the PPA board. Ordinary a guide omo. Guide SML, SMEL, any SML, how they can change their name into SML, how they can maneuver without even using PPA. This is the guy who became the Attorney General. When he was a Deputy Attorney General, he was on the board of PPA. And I'm on checking this is a grand scheme. So I know what now can say, oh, SML no, what W, it's a scheme, it's a grand scheme. It is something that they sat in a room and they connected. And they were planning here before they came to power. They were taking the nation down. A total takeover. From executive to judiciary all the way to legislature. They were taking over. It was a total takeover. Into Godfrey Dame, he was on the board of PPA. Go and check when he was on the board of PPA. Oh, and I said in Seminole 2017. So 2017, Godfrey Dame was on the board of PPA from 2017 when he became the Deputy Attorney General. It didn't he knew. Yeah. He understood. ABAJ, na management, any board, na Godfrey Dame team. He was part of it.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.